So we are going to share a really nice success story of a wonderful patient. She came to us looking like this, and our patient had 2 missing teeth and some failing teeth, and the teeth were not in the best of shape. The patient was temporarily wearing a partial, and these are the partial, but the most important part is the patient wanted a better option, better solution. So we did the top and bottom all on 4 implants, and you can see the custom, you'll see the difference. It's going to be, wow, we look at how amazing the zirconia looks, how amazing every single detail of the porcelain work. We thank our lab support and our lab team and our team to design this and being able to deliver such a beautiful, gorgeous results for our wonderful patient. Even the lip support, even the smile line looks very, very natural. You can see the porcelain work looks really, really good. And overall, you can see a very, very nice an after picture, like literally like midline, the middle of the face lines up to the nose. The smile goes exactly, really, really, we call it the curve of speed, but it's just how it natural drapes, and then just enough of lower teeth showing. So we are so happy, we're so appreciated. Brand new year, a brand new smile for our wonderful patients. And then we're just going to kind of get our patients' feedback as to how do you feel about your results and your outcome?
I am surprised, but truly blessed. Like, even looking at those pictures, it's like almost amazing. I just can't believe.
You don't remember that was you?
Yeah, I do.
And now look at your smile.
Yes, life changing. It's
right.
Life changing, and the confidence that come with this smile is, I've been in aviation for like 14 years.
Yeah. So
I've been on the phone in customer service. The confidence that I've had allowed me to go in flight. So now I fly. So it has changed my life.
So not only from a missing teeth standpoint, but from a confidence standpoint, and
Yes.
look how you articulating sentences.
Yes. Yeah.
So natural.
Yeah.
Right? Like it's part of you.
Yeah.
So would you, anybody that you're very young, there's a lot of young people that need the service. For anybody that's have missing teeth, broken teeth, they want a lifelong solution, what would you say?
I would say do it. If it's a possibility, do it. Because again, it's life changing. So.
Well, and what would your feedback be about me as your surgeon and my team, and then what overall everything?
I've been in the best hands. So, the care has been perfect. Caring and listening. Anytime I voice something, Bilal definitely has made sure that I was heard, and whatever I asked for, he accommodated it. So
thank you so much, Ms. Gardner.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
appreciated.
you.